Myntra Beauty fam, Faby here. Welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do a step-by-step procedure on how I achieve a glass skin makeup look which has become so popular all over the world. You can easily recreate this look by using the products mentioned in the description down below. All the products are available on Myntra app, which is definitely the ultimate beauty destination. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So now I'll be applying Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base. It is a 2-in-1 primer plus moisturizer which hydrates and prime the skin, which helps a lot in giving that glass skin look. To achieve that radiant look, you need to apply foundation on freshly moisturized skin, which is like damp with hydration, so that your foundation just doesn't sit on the skin. And for that, I'll be using Smashbox Halo All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer and will add little amount of MAC Stroke Cream to achieve that dewy, glowy makeup look. So I'll dot the foundation all over my face and then with the help of a wet beauty sponge, I'll blend it nicely. Guys, don't forget to check out all the product details in the description down below. Next, I will highlight my face, for which I will be applying Camouflage HD palette from Forever 52. I'll take the lightest shade from the palette and I'll apply it under my eyes, bridge of my nose and little bit on my chin. Before adding any more products onto my face, I will set the base with the setting spray, and for that I'll be applying Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. For the contouring, I'll be using Smashbox Cali Contour Palette. It's one of my favorite for contouring, blush and highlight. So I'm taking the darker shade and I will contour my face. Then I'm going to take the blush from the same palette and will apply it onto the apple of my cheeks. Next step will be to shape my eyebrows, and for which I will be using Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. For my eyes, I will be using eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. I will take the lightest brown shade and will apply it all over my lid. Once well blended, I'll add a lighter shade to my inner corner from the same palette. Then next I will be adding the liner, and for that I will use Estee Lauder Little Black Liner. To elongate my eyes, I will be just applying the liner onto my inner corners. For the mascara, I am taking this from Bobbi Brown. It's going to pump up my lashes and give it that fake lash look. Guys, don't forget to check out all the product details in the description down below. To add some extra shine to my face, I will take the same highlighter from the Cali palette and will highlight my face using it. For the lips, I'll apply this MAC lipstick in shade Meher. Wow, lipstick just enhances the whole look so well. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the tutorial. Whatever products I've used today in this video are all available on Myntra app, so do check it out. Also, I'll link down everything in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Lastly, do subscribe to Myntra Beauty channel for more such amazing beauty content, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss on the update. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you all.